Do you want shelves in your closet?
Hey everyone, today I'm doing closet shelves. So I'm going to show you the easy way, because why not? They're just closet shelves. So as long as they can store stuff, that's exactly what I want. So here's why this closet system is so easy. I'm going to use scraps of wood. I happen to have 2-inch wide boards just because that's what I had. But you could certainly use 2x4s or whatever you want. But the reason this closet shelving is easy is because I'm going to mark out my line and then I'm going to just glue and nail. Now that means that I'm going to be using construction adhesive and a nailer. Brad nailer would probably work just fine. I have a finish nailer here. It's a 16 gauge finish nailer. So I just need to get the first one in and I'm going to put it in about the middle. After that, I'm going to put my level on it to make sure that it is level and go from there. So, step 1, glue. And as far as I can tell, you don't need a lot of glue on these because we're counting on it holding with both the nails and the glue. So, step 2, find your line. And I'm going to put a nail in the center. Okay? Now, also, with these strips, you do want to cut them just a little bit short because most walls are going to have a little bit of a curve here. So if you cut them just a little bit short, they'll fit it a whole lot easier and it's not going to really impact the strength of your shelves. Okay, now, got one nail in here so that I can move it up and down as needed. I find level. Again, I'm expecting the construction adhesive to do most of the work. Another thing to make this quick and easy is to create just a little cutout. If we take that little bit off, when we put this in the back, that round of the closet is not going to get in the way. So, and then line it up where you want it and tack it in. In case you're wondering, I'm not gluing these in. I don't feel the need to do that. If I want to take these out, I'd like them to come out, and they're not likely to fall out on their own. Now you also want to make sure that you know how you're using your nailer. Now, because nails are clipped, they're likely to go that way or that way if they catch the grain because of how they're set up. So, knowing that, you want to make sure that when you're going into the board, you're going this way, okay? Because if I go this way, that nail is likely to catch and shoot out. Okay, again, if you can, shoot it this way. If you have your boards cut, you can easily do a shelf in less than 5 minutes. And the more you do, the easier and faster it all gets. So, cut your back supports 1/2 inch short. I would say cut your side supports 1/2 inch short. And then the width of your shelves, cut them 1/2 inch short. If you do that, it'll make it go really fast. So one of the things I want to do to make sure that this is even stronger is I want to reinforce it. And I do want to tack into that. And I went with a little bit wider trim board so it is stronger. Now, I was standing on those, but I know my kids will climb up and down, so I'm going to do that on these first 2 shelves. Thanks for watching, and remember, in a world where you can be anything, be the best version of yourself. Now, they should be really strong, especially in the front.
Hey, if you learned anything, make sure you subscribe. Bye.